Here we have a Hardinge DV-59 lathe. We have it hooked up to 220 volt, 3-phase power. And we're going to show you that it works. On this unit here, we're going to put it in reverse first. So you want to here. Oh, let's turn it on here. Okay. So reverse, and then it has reverse has this lever here is for low and high speed, and then this one's for your forward and reverse. So right now we have it on reverse. We'll go low speed. And we'll go high speed. Okay. And now we're gonna go forward on low speed and high speed. Okay, we also have a fine adjustment here. Okay, and then this is your turret here. Okay, and that is a Hardinge DV-59 lathe.